Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone has mobile data and USB tethering capability, because that converts cellular into a network connection. Next, connect a known data-capable USB cable to the phone and computer. A charge-only cable will fail. Once done, unlock the phone, keep the screen on, and make sure battery saver is off since it can throttle tethering. You want a stable power and data path before enabling tethering settings to avoid drops and connection negotiation problems. You now enable USB tethering on the phone so the device advertises a network interface to the computer. This is done in network settings or developer options depending on model. After toggling tethering, immediately check the computer's network list to ensure a new wired or USB adapter appears. That shows link level success. If the computer doesn't obtain an IP, use DHCP renew or manually assign an IP in the same subnet. Make sure firewall rules allow outbound traffic, and verify DNS settings if pages won't resolve. You finish by confirming internet access. Open a website and run a quick ping to 8 to separate DNS from connectivity problems. If there's no internet, first toggle USB tethering off and on, unplug and replug the cable, and restart the computer's network adapter. This often forces DHCP and fixes driver glitches. If problems persist, check whether your carrier blocks tethering on your plan, or try a Wi-Fi hotspot or Bluetooth tethering as alternatives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.